I'm a plastic surgeon in Louisville, Kentucky. I've been in practice here for the last 25 years. I left academic medicine to pursue a private practice, which essentially means running your own small business. For the last 10 years, I've been concentrating on aesthetic medicine, which means we're outside the realms of insurance, and it really is truly a small business. So what I needed was a software program that could take my daily information coming from my Next Tech software program dealing with my patients, my Quicken books, which look at my expense side and my accounts payable, accounts receivable, and give me a real-time, day-in look at that progress on a daily basis. And the way this software with Atlas has worked out, it gives me a real-time view of what happened in my office today. I would recommend the Atlas dashboard to anyone who's involved in aesthetic medicine. I would say as we look forward to what to expect in the near-term future is that the aesthetic space is becoming very competitive, and we need to really monitor our business processes and our operational processes to stay competitive and successful.